Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have brought for you all another interesting dish, which is the chicken puff. Hope so you all will like this recipe of mine. So without wasting any much time, let's get started with the recipe. So now for preparing of the chicken puff, first let us prepare the dough for it. So for that I have taken here 1 cup of all-purpose flour, that is maida. Into this I'll be adding 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 tablespoon of oil. Now we'll mix this oil very well along with this flour. So that when we press this flour, it has to hold its shape. So now here, as you all can see, the flour is holding its shape. So now this flour is ready. So now we will add little water at a time and we have to make a stiff dough. So for that now I'll be adding little water at a time and knead this into a very stiff dough. So here the dough is ready. Now we will keep this for resting for 15 to 20 minutes. In the meantime, till this dough is resting, we'll just prepare the stuffing for it and the pizza pasta sauce for it. So let's get started with that now. So for kneading the dough, I had taken 1 cup of water and I have used only 1/2 cup of water. So 1/2 cup of water is enough for kneading 1 cup of dough. So now for the chicken puff, here are the ingredients which we'll be requiring. This is 1 onion, small medium sized onion which is finely chopped. These are 6 to 8 cloves of garlic which I have finely chopped. This is 1/2 a capsicum which I have finely chopped. This is 1 small carrot which I have finely chopped. These are 8 to 10 French beans which are finely chopped. These are 6 to 8 mushrooms which are finely chopped. Also we will be requiring 1 tablespoon of pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili flakes, 1 tablespoon of oregano, salt according to taste, and this is 150 grams of boiled chicken which I have shredded. So now let's prepare the stuffing. So now here for the preparation of the stuffing, I have taken a pan and into that I have added a tablespoon of oil. Now the oil is nice and hot, so first we'll be adding the garlic. We'll just saute the garlic for 2 to 3 seconds. Now I'll be adding the chopped onions. And now we'll fry these onions till they're translucent, light pinkish in color. So now in the meantime, till the onions are getting sauteed over there, we'll prepare the pizza pasta sauce. So for that here I have taken 3 large tomatoes which I have chopped. So for that I have taken a blender jar and into that I'll be adding all these tomato pieces. And now I'll puree these tomatoes. So we'll be adding 2 tablespoons of ready-made tomato puree only for the sauce, and then 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, 1 tablespoon of pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili flakes, 1 tablespoon of oregano, and some salt according to taste. Now here the onions are nice and translucent. So now into this I will be first adding the carrots. And we'll just cook these carrots first. So now we'll be adding the mushrooms and the French beans along with the carrots, because these take a little longer time to cook. And we'll cook all these vegetables first nicely. So here I have pureed the tomatoes, and now we'll transfer this into a pan. For preparing of the sauce, here I have taken a pan, and into that I'll be adding the puree directly. And we have to cook this puree up nicely now first for 5 to 7 minutes. And we have to keep on stirring it. Now here, as you can see, we don't want these vegetables to be cooked completely. So now it is sufficient that the vegetables are cooked. Now into this I'll be adding the capsicum, finely chopped one, and we'll mix this also very well. Now I'll be adding some salt to the sauce and just mix it well. Also I'll be adding the tomato ketchup. And the ready-made tomato puree. We'll just mix this up very well. Now we'll be adding the pepper, the chili flakes, the oregano, and guys, I forgot actually to tell you all, we have to use 1 tablespoon of sugar also. So I've added that. And now we have to mix it well, and we have to wait till it nicely thickens up. And now here the pizza pasta sauce of ours is ready. See how well it is thickened up and all. And so now I'll switch off the flame, and we have to cool this down now. So now we'll be adding some salt according to taste, the oregano, the chili flakes, the pepper, and we'll give this a mix first. Also I'll be adding the shredded chicken. Give this a nice mix. And now we'll be adding the 3 tablespoons of the pizza pasta sauce which we had now prepared. That 3 tablespoons we'll be adding to this. And we'll give this a nice mix. And here the stuffing to the chicken puff is ready. Now we'll cool this down, and then I'll get back to you all. So now here, after 20 minutes of resting, now we'll start preparing the puffs. So I'll be taking a portion now from this dough. So now here we'll roll this portion of this dough. And we have to roll it in a longish way, like in a rectangle form, not a square form. The same way how we roll it for samosas. Now we will just cut the edges. now we will cut this into 2 parts. Now in this one part we will put the stuffing which we have prepared, the chicken stuffing. And just spread it a little bit. Now we will just dab it with little bit of water on all the sides. And we'll take this first portion and just lay it over the portion down and just press it on all the sides very well. Press it on all the sides very well so that it doesn't open up. And then with the help of a fork, just seal the edges. All the 4 sides you have to seal these edges very well. And now where there is this extra portion, you just cut off this extra portion which is there. So now here the chicken puff is ready, as you all can see. So now we will proceed to fry it. So now frying of the chicken puff, here I have taken oil into a kadai. The oil is nice and hot, so I will just put this puff into it. And we have to fry it till it is nice golden brown in color. So now here the puff is ready, so I'll just take it off. In the same way I'll be preparing the rest of the puffs. So now here the chicken puff is ready. I will just cut one and I'll show you all. See the stuffing of the chicken guys inside. It's really tempting and looking very delicious. See the layer of it guys, it's so nice and crispy and the filling is also so tempting. So guys, do give this recipe a try and let me know in the comment section as to how you all liked it. Also please subscribe to this channel of ours and also hit the bell notification so that you all get notified each time I post a new video. Guys, you are not liking it, you are not subscribing to this family of ours, and this family is not growing, and it is very disappointing to know that. So guys, please do subscribe to this family of ours and let this family grow at a very fast pace. Also do like and share this video with your family, friends and relatives. I will see you all in my next video with another good recipe. Till then, take care, stay safe. Bye-bye.